Okay, wait a minute, because Amazon is getting real bold out here. They said this is a full lace knotless boho braid wig and allegedly it's giving scalp. But listen, I found a Vine reviewer in the comments, and if you know anything about the Vine reviewers, baby, they don't play. They will write a whole thesis, okay, about a wig. Pros, cons, family history, emotional damage, all of it. And this reviewer said this wig was actually good, but it was very specific, the things that the reviewer said. So now I got questions. Is this wig really that girl, or did the Vine reviewer type the review after a couple glasses of wine? I don't know. Today we're testing the wig and the reviewer's honesty, because if this wig got me looking like all my life I had to fight, I'ma have a problem with it. Now this wig is by Supernova. I got her in 36 inches and I have the color P3027. They have plenty of lengths and plenty of colors. Okay, so boom. First thing I noticed, the braids are actually very neat. I'm not mad at the wig. The baby hair is another story, okay? But the braids are actually constructed very well, but I do not get ahead of myself because Amazon has fooled us before, okay? Now, the reason we're here today is because of this Vine reviewer. And if you don't know what that is, basically Amazon invites certain reviewers to test products and leave very detailed reviews. And when I say detailed, I mean detailed. Baby, they will break a product down like a science experiment, okay? So the reviewer said this wig was kind of in the middle of what she would expect for braid wigs. She gives it a 4 out of 5 stars, which is really good, and says, I've owned many wigs and this one falls a little above middle, so above middle of the pack for her. While the braids are pretty, the curly hair mixed in tangles. That is true, y'all. She is telling the truth. This is definitely synthetic, so don't expect those curls to last always. You'll definitely have to mousse or spray it down, however you tame your synthetic hair if you get synthetic boho braids. Okay. Now this particular reviewer does like the baby hair in the front. Me personally, I didn't care for it. It was just a lot. It was much. Okay, and y'all know I like the sparse kind of look. But she also says, I love the incredible length, which surprisingly does not make it too heavy. That's true. This wig was not heavy at all, with it being 36 inches. And again, you don't have to get 36 inches, but I did, because we sometimes get ignorant on top of ignorant over here. The fit is good, and I haven't noticed any shedding. It's just the tangling and frizzing that makes this wig not the best for me. So that seems to be her particular issue. And that's because it's synthetic, y'all. That kind of comes with it. You know, you're getting a full lace wig, 36 inches, $99, okay? And this is a braid wig now. It's synthetic. So it's kind of like you gotta get what you can get for that price. And when you're dealing with synthetic wigs, you know there's gonna be some tangling that comes with that. Now the lace is beige, or like, you know, like a cream color. Really not my particular color. I did get a blonde wig, so I don't know if that changes with the color that you choose. So, you know, you definitely are going to want to add a twinge of color to that if you need to, but it is full lace, and I'm shook a little bit because sometimes these wigs will lie. They'll put full lace in the caption, and then when you open it, it's 3 inches of lace in a dream, okay? It's half lace, quarter lace, emotional lace, all but full lace. Okay, so this is full lace, and there is hair going all the way around, so that is going to be really productive if you want like an updo, if you're doing the ponytail styles, all of the things. So just to be clear, because I really did minimal work with this wig, the only things I did, I cut the lace, of course, trimmed and thinned out those ignorant baby hairs a little bit, added some moves to lay the baby hairs down. I tinted the lace, okay? No heavy customization, no professional stylist moment, okay? Just a few tweaks, that's it. And I did that because I wanted it to be beginner friendly. I wanted to be something where the majority of the people can grab this wig and do something with it, okay? And honestly, for doing that little, I don't know if I'm mad at this, y'all. And there's another reason why I'm impressed, because sometimes with these Amazon wigs, you have to perform a whole renovation project just to make them wearable. But this one didn't need all that. Once I cut the lace and fixed those hairs, because again, they were doing a little bit too much for me, okay, that's when everything started to come together. The mousse helped lay everything down, and adding that little bit of color to tint that lace, it actually tinted the front part of the hair, the baby hairs, and it made it blend a lot better with my skin, y'all. So it was a nice little refresh, and boom. And again, this is a blonde wig, which is not my natural color. So if it's looking this good with blonde hair, I already know a darker colored version will probably be even easier to blend and look even more natural. Okay, now yes, down the line, it will tangle, especially with the curly boho pieces and it being synthetic, but that's normal for a low costing synthetic wig. And yes, this is $99, y'all. So when I say low costing, I don't just mean in general. I mean for a full lace 36-inch knotless boho braid wig. Okay, I'm just in proximity to other wigs, especially ones that use human hair for the boho pieces. You know what I'm saying? Those wigs run high. Okay, but for a wig that basically only needed, a quick little lace cut, little baby hair cleanup, little tint, I'm not mad at that at all. I'm really not, because I did the least with this. Yeah. Now we gotta talk about this Vine reviewer, and I'm not even gonna lie, she was pretty much spot on. Like almost everything she said about this wig was accurate. Yeah, I'm just looking, I'm going over it again. No, y'all, she was spot on. She was spot on and very detailed, and I definitely appreciate that, because when you spending your coins, you want those types of reviews. Because I came in ready to see, what's what. But she did her thing with that review. The only thing we disagree on is the baby hair. She's a fan of the baby hair. She likes it, that's totally fine. Some people really like a lot of the baby hair up front. So she's not wrong. That's what she likes, okay? She was feeling them. Me personally, it was a little too much. Cause see, when it comes to these braid wigs, I like my baby hair to just be a little bit more subtle. Like maybe she has edges and maybe she doesn't. Sometimes you gotta put a little mystery on it. But once I thin them out, I say, yeah, now you giving what it's supposed to get. All right, y'all, I'm calling it. Divine Reviewer told the truth, okay? Okay, Amazon, I see you. Now, if you like honest wig tests, experiments, and a little chaos along the way, make sure you hit that subscribe button, all right? Peace, love, light.